Welcome back. It's working. Except it's not connected yet.
Alright, let's show them how we put it together. What do you say?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, we got the pieces mocked up. I'm going to start tacking the top part of the bracket. Alright, look at all this craziness. I got it all sorted out, so we're gonna tack it up. Here we have the top bracket mocked up, and we're going to attach some bracing for the bracket that holds the gearbox. So we got that clamped up. So we're about ready to cut the extra axle off, and we'll cut the extra bracing off, and we'll finish welding it up. So I'll go ahead and disassemble this and we'll tack it up. And I cut the extra length off the braces, and I'm going to weld the ends on, and this bracket should be finished. Alright, well, we have this bracket done. It'll hold the gearbox. We have the carrier brackets done. So all we have to do now is cut the bottom of the carrier brackets, drill and press the bushings, and cut the cross brace, which was temporary, and tack that up a bit. And then cut the axles.
We're going to press more bushings, but to hold the transmission on. Let's get working. Not on it yet.
That's
It's not there.
Okay. Now just let it up a little bit.
And I'll leave. And then you can do the next one.
Other way.
Oh.
That's good. Cool. You want to line another one up? Line it up?
Yep. I need to do the next one.
Jerry's going to let me push the next one in. There we go. So, let's bolt it up. This is the end result. We have the gearbox mounted to the carrier. The carrier is removable from the truck, and we got the axles cut off and the bushings pressed. So probably we'll do something with this bracket. It hangs down a little low for the neutral. Probably can attach some bracketry to and drill a hole here to control this, and then cut this part off, and may recreate the holding bracket because it hangs, there's not a lot of clearance here, so I may rework that. So the next thing we'll do is drill holes and attach the carrier to the truck. We'll take the gearbox off and put a keyway in for the sprocket. But this is where we will stop for now. In an upcoming video, we will cut the keyway on the gearbox drive shaft. We'll also be attaching the drive truck and front truck to the engine. So this control box, I need to make a bracket to connect down there, but there should be enough room to lift the hood. There should be enough room for a battery. We'll put the resistors vertically. The motor is probably close to center now, and there's plenty of space for the control wires. And then in there, that's turned 90 degrees right now, but I got to cut the front off, but it will fit in there nicely with enough room on this side to cut the hole for the switch for the winch motor control. And this will be reused for the resistor control. So slow and fast. And this will be forward and reverse. So they have this upside down, but up will be forward and back will be reverse. You have to hold this control for the connection. And this horn button switch works. I need to get a horn. This is for the light switch, and that light switch works. So I'll connect the light to that switch. We may or may not have a horn at first, but we'll have the winch control switch and the resistor control, which will be lift to speed it up. That way it's not jerky, and that will be how